Good morning. This morning I did wake up to some interesting GNOME Linux project news, so let's take a look at this before I have my coffee. This is from linuxniac.com. GNOME project's unexpected CEO choice, a bold move or misstep. Now, this is how I read it this morning, so I'm still waking up. Holy Million, new to software, now leads GNOME. But then I realize it's Holly Million. But once I'm done reading this, you might say, Holy Million. GNOME is more than just a collection of software. It represents a community and philosophy and is one of the most prominent players in the open source movement. With this stature comes responsibility and so on. All right, so in other words, its role is paramount. Why are they saying this? Okay, Holly Million, even though I read it as Holy Million, there was an official announcement from the GNOME Foundation welcoming this person to the new project's executive as the new project's executive director. Given the significance of the project and its effect on the open source community as a whole, we couldn't help but be drawn to the idea of looking into this person's, Holly Million's, background. My name is Holly Million. I am a professional shaman, an artist, an herbal medicine maker. Yeah, you probably need to do all those to continue using GNOME. My greatest joy comes from helping people to free themselves and bring their gifts forward for the healing of people and the planet. I think that's wonderful. Except I did look up the meaning of shaman. A shaman is a priest or a priestess who uses magic to assist people. That's what I read. Tell you what, I'm a regular tech guy relying on O's and ones and mainly believe in simple things like... Okay, so what should be meant by professional shaman is beyond my comprehension. This is the person writing this, and not me. In closing, I would personally ask, I dare say it on behalf of the countless GNOME users, please, Mrs. Million, make the necessary magic convincing the how can I say this with a straight face? Make the necessary magic convincing the developers to give us back the system tray functionality and rethink some of their functional design concepts. Okay, now before I go use GNOME, Ubuntu, I need to smoke some weed. Have a good day. Ciao.